Hi guys, we prepared a presentation about persona in terms of user experience, prepared by me and Max.
The persona. Persona is a representation of a particular audience segment for something you are designing, such as a website, product, service, based on various types of qualitative and quantitative research. It captures a person's motivations, frustrations, and the essence of who they are. There are the three types of personas: marketing personas, proto personas, and design personas.
Marketing persona focuses on demographic information, in other words, statistical data. Examples would be motivations and concerns, shopping or buying preferences, marketing message, and media habits. Marketing personas are good for determining what types of customers will be receptive to certain products or messages, or for evaluating the investment of a product. Yet, this would not be useful for defining a product or service, such as what it is or how will it work.
Personas are used when there is no money or time to create true research. So they are based on secondary research and the team's educated guess of who they should be designing for. It captures the surface of the image of the customer and answers only the essential questions. Proto-personas can be later developed as more sources are found.
Design personas focus on user goals, current behavior, and problems as opposed to their buying or media preferences and behaviors. They are based on field research and real people. Design personas are good for communicating research insights and user goals, understanding and focusing on certain types of users, such as defining a product or a service.
So, what are the requirements needed to form a good persona? They reflect patterns observed in research. They focus on the current state, not the future. They have to be realistic, not idealized. The features of a good persona should include the context, behaviors, attitudes, needs, challenges, pain points, goals, and motivation. Business cases for personas. Widening your target does not improve your aim. While creating the persona, you need to remember that although your aim is probably to attract as many customers as possible, it is not shown here. Persona needs to be specific, as it is essential in the process of targeting the group. It allows us to clearly see what needs of our persona should be filled and how we can do that.
Personas answer the question, who are we designing for? Compiling everything you know about your customers and grouping your findings is the first step in creating the persona. Conduct user research. Answer the following questions. Who are your users and why are they using the system? What behaviors, assumptions, and expectations color their view of the system? Condense the research. Look for themes, characteristics that are specific, relevant, and universal to the system and its users. The next step is brainstorm. Organize elements into persona groups that represent your target users. Name or classify each group. Combine and prioritize the rough personas. Separate them into primary, secondary, and if necessary, complementary categories. You should have roughly 3-5 personas and their undefined characteristics. Make them realistic. Develop the appropriate descriptions of each persona's background, motivations, and expectations. Do not include a lot of personal information. Be relevant and serious. Humor is not appropriate.
Here is an example of a persona.